I saw you coming off the printer, I knew it was on. Yeah, you be looking so damn good, so I wrote you this song.
It's for you.
Some people, they just don't understand. They look and they stare. Policeman, he stopped me, he said, son, what you got there? It's a Glong, yeah, the Glong. It's a Glock that's also a bomb. Hit the Glong, yeah, the Glong. It's my Glock and it's also my bomb. The Glong, yeah, the Glong. It's a Glock that's also a bomb. The Glong, yeah, my Glong. It's my Glock and it's also my bomb. The world can be so scary, yeah. I need some protection. Sometimes I stare into my Glong, I can see my own reflection. I'm smoking up dope, I'm shooting out this smoke, I'm cooking up the felonies. Sir, I don't understand what's so wrong with printing my Glong and chiefing my key.
Yeah, so like I'm looking for something not too crazy, something that'll get me nice and like chill, but I also need it to like help me with my practical accuracy. Do you have anything for that?
Well, today's your lucky day, partner. I got just the thing.
It's a Glong, yeah, the Glong. It's a Glock that's also a bomb. Hit the Glong, yeah, the Glong. It's my Glock and it's also my bomb. The Glong, yeah, the Glong. It's a Glock that's also a bomb. The Glong, yeah, my Glong. It's my Glock and it's also my bomb. Whoa, the Glong, it make me feel so free.
So free.
Whoa, the Glong, it protect you and me.
It protects.
I'm rolling with the glizzy, I'm rolling with the strong. I got 30 rounds inside my bomb. I'm rolling with the glizzy, I'm rolling with the strong. I got 30 rounds inside my bomb. It's a Glong, yeah, the Glong. It's a Glock that's also a bomb. Hit the Glong, yeah, the Glong. It's my Glock and it's also my bomb.